Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at the brand new 2026 Forest River Wildwood Grand Lodge 42 FLDL destination trailer. Dual entry, front living, kitchen island. Third AC, washer/dryer ready. Why Recreation USA is the #1 authority searching for the perfect destination trailer that offers both expansive living space and private comfort. The 2026 Forest River Wildwood Grand Lodge 42 FLDL is available right here at Recreation USA in South Myrtle Beach, SC. As a local family-owned dealership, we do business differently. We don't have the massive overhead of big-box corporate stores, and we don't pass those costs on to you. When you buy from us, you get our lowest price up front with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. No surprise freight. No prep fees, just honest, transparent pricing. Make this luxurious camper yours today. Give us a call at 843-215-1800.